boys and girls. Okay, so for Friday's math, we are going to finish up chapter 12 in our Envisions math book. We're doing lesson 12-5, and that starts on page 691. So for today, when we think about measuring something, we've been just measuring with straight little things, solid things that don't move. Paper clips. I saw where Bryce measured with jelly beans. That's such a great idea. When I saw that, I was like, I never even thought of that. Other people are measuring with different things, different cubes, erasers. Great, great job. Today we're going to talk about how maybe sometimes it's easy to measure with cubes or jelly beans or erasers or paper clips, but sometimes if it's like a wavy thing or a swirly line, it's a little harder because those paper clips or whatever you're using don't really move with what we're measuring. So we know how to measure something that's straight. Like if I want to measure this box, I could use my cubes and I could put them right along there. I could bring some more over, measure them. Makes it really hard that it doesn't stand up. So I've got 4 on here, maybe 3 more, so maybe it would be 7 cubes long. So when I measure something that's straight, it's fairly easy to keep my object straight and count how many I have. But when something is not straight, like this snake down here, that would be a little bit tougher to measure. Because watch, if I bring my cubes, well then the snake goes up right here. So how could I put my cube up and then down and then all the way around and up right there? That would be pretty difficult. So here's where you can use another tool. You can use a string. Sometimes it's easier to measure things with string. So I could start my string here. I could make the string go in the right direction. I could make it look pretty close to my snake. If I had another helper, I could hold my string where it was supposed to go. And I could see how long the snake was. And then you could use your blocks or your counters or your jelly beans, whatever you have, to see how long this is. So for today, you're going to do page 692 and 693. So your job will be to decide, do you just need to use cubes to measure something? Is it just a straight object? Or would cubes and string be more helpful? And then it says, then you can measure it. So if you have your little jelly beans or whatever you were using, that's what you can use to measure it. So the big part that I want you guys to know is if it's straight, you can just use your cubes. If it's a swirly thing, if it's a snake or a scarf or a lightning bolt or anything like that, it's probably going to be better if you use your string and your cubes. So that will be the last thing we do in chapter 12. So next week, it's pretty exciting. Chapter 13, we get to learn about telling time, and it's going to be awesome. All right, I hope you all have a great, great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you all on Monday. Bye.